Most people think if they're not getting views, it means YouTube doesn't like their content, and that's why their channel isn't growing. But that's completely wrong. Because the real reason your channel is stuck is usually not the algorithm. It's a few silent mistakes you're making without even realizing it. Mistakes that quietly kill your growth while you keep uploading, hoping things will magically change. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 deadly mistakes destroying your YouTube channel, show you exactly how to fix each one, and help you finally start getting consistent views and real growth. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, using AI the wrong way, or not using it at all. Let's start with a big one. AI is not your enemy, but it's also not your creator. It's a tool. The mistake most people make is either not using AI at all or relying on it 100% for everything. Both are dangerous. Here's the truth. AI can help you with ideas, editing, thumbnails, scripting, and speed, but it cannot replace your creativity. If your entire video is just AI generated with zero human input, it starts to feel generic. And when content feels generic, people don't stay, they don't engage, and YouTube stops pushing it. The fix is simple. Use AI as support, not replacement. Because at the end of the day, YouTube rewards human connection, not machine-generated content. So remember, AI should speed you up, not replace you. Let's move to mistake number 2.
Mistake number 2, focusing only on SEO. This is where most beginners get stuck. They think, if I optimize my title, tags, and description, I'll go viral. But that's not how YouTube works. SEO only helps people find your video. It doesn't make them watch it. If your content isn't engaging, people will click and leave. And that's the worst signal you can send to YouTube. The fix? Stop choosing between SEO and engagement. Use both. Yes, optimize your title and description, but more importantly, make your content actually worth watching, because watch time always beats keywords. Let's move on. Mistake number 3, weak or outdated video ideas. This is a big one. If your ideas are boring, your results will be boring. A lot of creators keep repeating the same topics everyone has already done without adding anything new, and that kills curiosity. For example, how to start YouTube channel, done thousands of times. Basic AI tool tutorials with no unique angle. The fix? Take any idea and add a twist. Instead of how to get subscribers, say how I got 1,000 subscribers in 2 days, step-by-step breakdown. Instead of AI video tools, say I tested 10 AI tools, only one actually works. Same topic, but completely different curiosity level. That's what gets clicks. Mistake number 4, focusing on views instead of engagement. Views don't grow channels, engagement does. You might get clicks, but if people leave in the first 10-20 seconds, YouTube sees that as failure and your video stops getting recommended. The fix is simple but powerful. Go into YouTube Studio and check audience retention, average view duration, click-through rate. If people are leaving early, your problem is not promotion, it's content. Fix your hook, first 5-10 seconds, pacing, story flow, because YouTube doesn't push videos that people abandon. It pushes videos people watch till the end. Mistake number 5, ignoring trends. If you're making content nobody is searching for or interested in right now, growth becomes slow. But here's the mistake. People either ignore trends completely or blindly copy them. Both are wrong. The fix? Find trends, but add your own angle. Example, if AI video generators is trending, don't just copy tutorials. Instead, best AI tool for beginners, tested. I tried viral AI tools so you don't waste time. Same trend, different value. That's how you stand out. Mistake number 6, quantity over quality. Uploading every day means nothing if your videos aren't good.
Bad content uploaded daily still equals bad growth. The fix? Focus on making fewer but better videos. Strong hook, clean editing, better thumbnail, clear value. One high-quality video can outperform 10 rushed ones easily. YouTube rewards impact, not volume.
Mistake number 7, broken consistency. Consistency doesn't mean uploading a lot. It means uploading predictably. If your upload schedule keeps changing, audience gets confused. Algorithm loses trust. The fix? Pick a schedule and stick to it. Same days, same time, every week. Even one video per week works if you're consistent. Because consistency builds trust with both your audience and YouTube's system. Okay, quick recap. The 7 mistakes killing your channel are: misusing AI, focusing only on SEO, weak ideas, chasing views instead of engagement, ignoring trends, quantity over quality, inconsistent uploading. Fix these and your channel changes completely. Drop a comment and tell me what you want next. And if this helped you, subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown, where I'll show you how small channels actually go viral, step by step. All right, that's it for today. Go fix these mistakes and start growing.